Let's pack a suitcase for a shoot day.
So I'm just prepping everything. I'm ironing all my clothes that I'm taking for the shoot so that it's nice, fresh and crisp when I shoot it. So you low-key want to go really slow and gentle on your clothes because most of our clothes, women's clothes, are more thinner and is mostly polyester for the most part. So you want to be super gentle with it. I always wonder how do I fold clothes once ironing them? Like, will it not crease again? But it's inevitable, right? Let's pack a suitcase for the shoot. I always just carry like a suitcase, like a mini carry-on when I'm going on a shoot day or something because it just gets really easy to then sort things out. Also, excuse my hair and my outfit. Here's what I carry my makeup in now. I got this from Amazon. It is really good. So this is the outfit. I'll show you guys the entire fit in a moment. But I never really told the guys what I'm doing and where I'm going and why am I going. So basically I'm going to Sake. That's where my agency's office is and they have a really nice studio space to shoot at. So I'm literally going to shoot a bunch of content today. And after that we are going to do like a nice little cafe lunch moment to discuss about content, future plans, etc, etc. Once I've shot all type of content, I'm gonna come home, relax for a bit. Also, this is the fit. So pretty. It is like this midi skirt and I'm wearing these leopard print heels. It low-key gives very corporate co vibes. So I realized that this does not have any audio because it was connected to my car. But what I was saying is I was talking about the outfit, my hair, and also that I was stuck in traffic. Like literally that was it, and I'm pretty frustrated about it. Yes, say hi.
Hi,
What do you do?
I'm a content strategist at iFix.
Yes. Literally 2 o'clock, and we haven't shot anything.
We are just
We have just been talking about life.
life and our struggles.
Struggle ho rahi hai. But we are gonna shoot now. It's gonna be a productive day,
Yes.
hopefully. Look at the studio, it is so pretty, and we did not end up shooting a lot of content. Actually, we literally shot only one carousel, took some pictures, but those came out really beautiful. Like, excuse me, stunning. We later went for lunch at this restaurant called Grammar Room, and guys, I also started a new series on Instagram and YouTube community posts on cafe reviews, so make sure to check that out. The food was mid, the ambience was kind of mid. It was also really hot that day, so I genuinely did not enjoy sitting outside in the heat. I came home really late. The traffic was crazy, but then I made myself some soya chunk curry for dinner and I ate it with jeera rice. It was so yummy. It was like one of those comfort meals that you have after a very long, tiring day. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It is low-key therapeutic and fun to cook your own meals. Okay, so it's around 10 now, and I just realized that I did not shoot anything this evening after I came home. Barely did anything. I came home really late. The traffic was also pretty crazy, so I was exhausted to say the least. And post that, I was like, let me make myself some dinner. So you guys saw that I made some soya curry, soya chunks curry with some jeera rice, and I ate that and I felt a lot better. I took a shower as well, and today was just a very like meh day. It wasn't the most productive. We didn't do a bunch of things that at least I hoped for. But you know, we were discussing about how social media has evolved, and like I don't know why, like Instagram right now just feels such an overwhelming platform. It does not give the sort of joy that it used to give. Like, you know, it's not anymore about connecting with people, it's just about being a business. I mean, truth be told, yes, I have a business over there, like it gives me a lot of money, I won't lie, right? But at the same time, I don't know, there the comfort element that used to be there, right now it's something like, at least I know a lot of us creators feel this, it's like become such a numbers game. Like earlier it used to be such like a community based, very, I'm going to cherish my community, they are my real time friends, to now becoming like engagement, followers, all about number game. And I think I'm just gonna like, what I want to do now is to not go on Instagram unless and until it's for work. And for work, I'm literally mean that I'm not even gonna consume any other people's content. Like genuinely, like literally feel like every single content is looking the same right now, and that's just not the space that I want to be in, or I want to put you guys in, where you're not watching anything new on my page. It's it really pisses me off, to be honest. And I just want to do what truly feels me, and not, you know, what trend is going on, to be honest. So that's where I am at, and that's what we discussed today. And I mean, I haven't gotten the amount of clarity that I required, but things will get figured out eventually, right? And apart from that, I clicked some really beautiful pictures, I'll insert it here. The lighting was phenomenal. Then we went to a cafe, it was called the Grammar Room, which was crazy expensive. I was like, why is a bowl of pasta so expensive? I can just make it at home. Honestly, like once you start earning, you start realizing how much money things take. And it's just not as aesthetic as it seems to be, right? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I will see you in my next one. Subscribe now.